Have you ever thought about starting your own online business? The allure of the digital world is undeniable. With just a laptop and a sprinkle of determination, you can launch an online venture that opens up a world of possibilities. It's not just about the potential of financial independence, but also the flexibility and freedom that comes with it. Imagine running a business from your favorite coffee shop or while traveling the world. Sounds ideal, right? This is where Shopify Dropshipping comes into play. It's a popular online business model that has been gaining traction over the years. Why? Because it's relatively easy to start, requires minimal startup capital, and the earning potential is vast. It's a gateway to entrepreneurship without the traditional hurdles and overheads. So, how about we dive into the world of Shopify Dropshipping? Get ready to jot down some notes. First things first, what exactly is Shopify Dropshipping? Well, it's a revolutionary way to run an online store without having to worry about stocking or shipping products. Here's how it works. You set up a digital storefront on Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform. Then, when a customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to their doorstep. You're essentially the middleman, facilitating the transaction between the customer and the supplier. One of the major advantages of Shopify Dropshipping is its low startup cost. There's no need to invest in a physical inventory, which significantly reduces your financial risk. And since your supplier handles the shipping, you can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. So whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or traveling the world, your business can be up and running. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Let's see how you can get started. Ready to set up your own online store? Let's begin. First things first, head over to Shopify's website and create an account. It's a simple process, just like signing up for any other online service. Now comes the fun part, choosing your store name. Make it unique, memorable, and relevant to what you're selling. Once that's done, it's time to customize your store's appearance. Shopify provides a variety of themes to choose from, so pick one that resonates with your brand. Then, personalize it. Add your logo, choose your color scheme, and set up your navigation menu. This is your chance to make your store truly yours, so don't hold back. Remember, your store's appearance plays a significant role in attracting customers. So, aim for a clean, user-friendly design that makes shopping a breeze for your visitors. And voila, you have your own online store. But what to sell? Choosing the right products is a critical step in your dropshipping journey. You see, the products you choose to sell are the heart of your business. Without them, there's no business to speak of. So, how do you decide what to sell? Start by focusing on trending, niche products with high profit margins. These are the products that people are currently excited about, and they're where you'll make the most money. But how do you find these products? Well, there are tools to help with that. Consider using resources like Google Trends or Social Mention. These platforms track what's trending online, giving you a direct insight into what people are looking for. With these tools, you can identify popular products that align with your business goals. Remember, the key is to find a balance between what's popular and what aligns with your brand. You want to sell products that are in demand, but they should also fit within your store's overall theme. Now that you've chosen your products, let's find a supplier. Finding reliable suppliers is the backbone of your dropshipping business. Just think about it. These are the folks who hold the reins to your product quality, stock availability, and delivery times. So it's crucial to pick suppliers who are trustworthy and dependable. You might be asking, where do I find these suppliers? Well, popular supplier directories like AliExpress and Doba are a great place to start. These platforms connect you with numerous suppliers worldwide, offering a wide variety of products. Now, how do you evaluate these suppliers? A good starting point is to check out their reviews. What are other businesses saying about them? Positive feedback is a good sign. Also, take a close look at their delivery times. Consistency is key here. You don't want to keep your customers waiting, do you? With a reliable supplier on board, you're almost ready to start selling. Now let's attract some customers to your store. Your store is set up, you've chosen your products, and you've found your suppliers. Now comes the crucial part, marketing. It's the engine that drives traffic to your store. It's the magnet that attracts customers. Let's start with social media advertising. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook offer targeted advertising that can put your store directly in front of potential customers. Next, let's talk about search engine optimization, or SEO. By optimizing your store's content with relevant keywords, you can improve your visibility on search engines and draw in organic traffic. Then there's email marketing. By collecting email addresses from your customers, you can send out newsletters, offers, and product updates to keep them engaged and returning to your store. Remember, marketing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Keep learning, keep adapting, and above all, keep listening to your audience's response. And there you have it. Your very own Shopify dropshipping business is up and running. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with determination, you're on the right track. If this video was of any value to you, remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe for all the latest. If you are interested in learning more about making money online, I have included links in the description box and pinned comment to all the products that will help accelerate your progress on your journey. Until next time, this is Lucrative Lessons with Landy, signing out.